Hey guys, I hope y'all are having an awesome day today. Today we are learning about the constant of proportionality. In seventh grade, you do have a standard regarding constant of proportionality. In eighth grade, the constant of proportionality that you will see would be the slope in proportional relationships. So you both see this standard, it's just a little bit different from one grade level to the next. Our first situation here is cups of mix and how many pancakes that those cups make. I want to point out to you, I just took this table and I made a copy of it right here and turned it on its side. I want you to see how it kind of looks like a ratio table. How we have our 2 units and our rates lined up like that. So one of the things when you're working with a table is just to remember, like we're familiar with this. We know if there were missing values, we know how to fill them in just like in a ratio table. Okay, the first question is asking us, how many cups of mix will he use for 12 pancakes? Be sure to look for the unit. Pancakes is 12. If this was a long table with a lot of data points, you might see 12 in this column and automatically think that the number next to it would be the correct number. So be sure to make sure you check those units. We have 12 pancakes equals 1 cup of mix. How many cups of mix will you use for 24 pancakes? 24 pancakes would be made from 2 cups of mix. And it says, what's the ratio of cups of mix to servings? So be mindful when they want a ratio, you have to do it in the right order, the same order they give you. Cups of mix would be 1, and servings would be 12. Now, in reality, this would be your independent variable and this would be your dependent variable because the number of pancakes made depends on this. So this might be a ratio of cups of mix to servings, but a actual constant in proportionality would be 12 to 1 because it's y to x. It'll be 12 to 1. So just keep that in mind as we start talking through this next section. A relationship is proportional when the ratio of y over x is constant. If I go through the entire table and do y divided by x equals 12, y divided by x equals 12, y divided by x equals 12, if it's constant all the way through the table, that means the relationship is proportional. Given the data that we have here, this relationship is proportional. A constant of proportionality is basically just the value of the ratio that you're given. So if I did 12 divided by 1 equals 12, 12 would be the constant of proportionality. It's represented by this equation, K, that's the constant of proportionality. We solve it by doing y divided by x. Y is your dependent variable, and x is your independent variable. And so the equation that we use to represent proportional relationships, this is how we solve for K, but then we actually plug K into this equation, y equals Kx. Now, 8th graders, you're going to be very familiar with this because it's similar to y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope. K is also the slope in this situation. We just don't have a y-intercept because our y-intercept is 0. All right, guys, go move on to the next few slides. If you have any questions during your work, feel free to message me on Canvas. I will see you later. I hope you'll have an awesome day. Bye-bye.